The worker shortage is widespread and it's real. Restaurants are desperate to get their businesses back on track and back to pre-pandemic operations.
But hiring is tough. Nationwide, the number of people employed in the food services industry dropped by more than 2 million between February 2020 and May of this year. This is according to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics.
And now many restaurants are being forced to reduce hours. Others are relying on exhausted staff to keep up with demand.
Well, Denver 7's Sloan Dickey kicks off our in-depth coverage tonight with more on how restaurants are faring.
Would you like brown rice or the bamboo rice?
For Onwin, poke bowls are an art form.
Spicy crab, baby octopus salad.
He says for certain ingredients, you just can't cut corners.
Albacore tuna from Tahiti right now. And then our octopus comes from Spain. When you try to cut corners, you buy these frozen fish and it all tastes the same.
It's that mentality, he says, that keeps his restaurant, the Denver Poke Company, alive and well nearly 2 years into the coronavirus pandemic.
We stayed open the whole time. We cut down our staff just a little bit.
Through all the challenges, the company just kept on swimming.
You had to be quick on your toes.
The newest challenge is a bit more complicated.
We have a sign out.
Like many small businesses, he can't seem to hire new employees.
I feel like as a business owner, you have to do what you have to do to get people in the door.
Though he's posted openings on Indeed, Craigslist, Facebook, and put up this sign in his window, he says nobody is taking the bait.
When you work here, you get a great workplace, low stress, and great people to work with.
As the owner, he's now the main employee, working hands-on next to his staff until positions can be filled.
I hate to see people fail. I hate to see restaurant close, we're all in this together.
Fortunately for Wynn, they stayed open, only having to cut ties with food delivery services so they could keep up with orders. Others aren't so lucky, choosing to shorten hours, closing for indoor dining. Still more are closing altogether.
The service workers is the real challenge.
Jack Buffington, a professor of supply chain economics at the University of Denver, says it's a problem that won't go away anytime soon.
Really needs to be a conscious effort of how they solve for it. They're not going to be able to solve for it in the traditional ways, given the fact that there's so much demand for workers.
As big restaurants offer sign-on bonuses and higher pay, small shops like the Denver Poke Company have to get creative.
A lot of times, small companies are more focused on the here and now. This is going to require these small companies to be more strategic.
Strategy and the extra ingredient of passion.
If you don't have passion, if you don't have the will to come in every day to do this, there's no way you're going to survive.
Sloan Dickey, Denver 7.
So what is to blame here? Now, many are just choosing not to go back to work at restaurants and bars. So let's take an in-depth look at why.
Well, first, health concerns. This includes concerns of being exposed to COVID and the lack of health care options offered to restaurant workers. Some argue the risk to their family outweighs the rewards of the job.
Job insecurity. Restaurants were open, then closed, and some open just for takeout. And some workers say the combination of the instability and those shortened hours on top of the low pay are just leading them to look for other opportunities.
Another reason is the frustration of dealing with bad customers and the stress that comes with it. Some restaurant workers say working through a public health crisis was tough, dealing with unruly customers who refuse to wear a mask.
They say it is taking a toll on their mental health. They've also had to deal with disgruntled customers who tip poorly, some even physically combative.
So let's take a closer look at the numbers. According to data from the National Restaurant Association, 81% of full-service operators, like sit-down restaurants, and 75% of limited-service operators, like fast food chains, say their restaurants do not have enough employees to meet customer demand.
Some economists say it is just taking people longer to figure out what new jobs they want or what skills they need for a different role.
Matt Klaus with the Daniels College of Business at DU also says some people may not be ready to go back to work yet.
In some cases, there's a lot of factors. In some cases, people were able to save during the pandemic months. You didn't have the ability to go to sporting events or out to dinner or movies or concerts. And so people were saving some money. So in some cases, I think there's some people out there that still have a nest egg that they're building on. They haven't run out of the money, even though the supplemental part of the unemployment payments have expired. So we may see them moving it back in when they finally run out of money.
Now, if you are looking for a job and running into problems, Denver 7 is teaming up with the State Labor Department to answer some of your questions. We're hosting a call center this Thursday, and you can ask state labor leaders to address your questions and concerns. The call center will begin at 4 p.m.